Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to get a ByBit card. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do for you to be able to get a ByBit card is to create your account here first. If you have already logged in using your credentials, now if it's the first time, just click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, getting a ByBit card offers several advantages, particularly for those active in the cryptocurrency space. For example, you can use your cryptocurrency holdings for everyday purchases, both online and in-store, wherever MasterCard is accepted, or Visa, because you can access your crypto funds in cash via ATMs globally, converting crypto to fiat seamlessly. Can automatically convert your cryptocurrencies to fiat currencies at the point of sale, simplifying the process of spending crypto. Now, the benefit of having a robust security measures including PIN protection, two-factor authentication, and fraud monitoring is one of the best perks that you can get by obtaining a ByBit card. Once you are here on the platform, all you're gonna do is click on the finance and hover to card. Now, it's a very straightforward process because I've done this in the past, and all I'm gonna do is click on the apply now button. But please be mindful that it's only available for users in Australia and these regions, all right? Now click on apply. All I'm gonna do is select the country of residence and click on confirm. Now once you do that, all I'm gonna do is provide the identity verification steps like national ID. You need to put your passport, driving license, residence permit, all right? And after that, you will be able to confirm your information. You'll get an email for that. You would have the notification here that the transaction or the application for the ByBit card was successful. Otherwise, if you're having problems getting your ByBit card or filling all the information here, I suggest you click on the bot chat here. Click on it. You might want to type in your answers. If you type in your question to get an answer, or you can submit a request on the support team. For example, you live in Australia, but you're having problems or getting technical difficulties to get a ByBit card. And from here, just choose the situation here. And after that, one of the support staff will give you troubleshooting guidelines on how to do it. Otherwise, you might want to also complete your identity verification level 1 to continue your ByBit services, which is getting a ByBit card. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.